Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce JavaScript execution time in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to clarify some things, and basically for this specific problem, you will need to have a little bit of some development skills. So basically, first we will need just to go to your theme and start editing the code of your theme. And for that, we can go to the online store by clicking here on this side the menu. And after that, you will need to go to click on code. So we can click on edit code, and we can also click on preview store so we can see some things. You can go to the developer mode and go to the network and start seeing, for example, any JavaScripts that are being used and taking too much longer to load. That will slow your website. And basically, after that, you will need to spot them. You can find them also here in inspect or the developer mode, go into the sources, and from here you can find some content scripts, and you can see all the scripts that are taking too long to load. And by going to the codes, we will need just to go to the assets, and from the assets, we will find all the JavaScript file. Or you can simply go to the filters and type .js, and you will find some JavaScript files. And by going here, so we need just to type like that and see all our assets. Go to animation, for example GS, and from here you can start minimizing, either start minifying the .js, or you can delete completely a script if it's unused. So basically, if it is unused, just delete the script and you will start having more progress in your performance. Otherwise, you can start trying to minify in JS. So just type minify JS, and then you can start adding your code. For example, you can try to go to your codes and click on minify JS, and then it will start minifying it so it can reduce its size. It will take off the blank space, it will take all the invalid space or unused space, and it will start to try minifying the JS size so you can improve your performance. So basically, those are all the things that you can try to do. Thank you for watching and see you next time.